Humanity has always sought ways to grow life from the earth. But in ancient times, a secret was discovered. Plants don't simply grow in soil, they grow through water and the life within it. In the cradle of Mesopotamia, the legendary Hanging Gardens of Babylon rose like paradise in the desert.
Behold, the glory of Babylon torn, the Hanging Gardens. Built for love, sustained by brilliance.
Terraced platforms carrying lush trees and flowers, fed not by ground soil, but by flowing water lifted through ancient irrigation systems. An early vision of vertical farming, created by human ingenuity and moving water. Thousands of miles away in Central America, the Aztecs built floating gardens, chinampas, ingenious artificial islands anchored on shallow lakes. Nutrient-rich mud and reeds formed fertile beds where crops flourished atop water. These floating farms fed entire cities, proving again that water, not land, sustains growth. These were not just gardens, they were early pioneers of what we now call hydroponics. Centuries passed. Then came an age of reason, of experiments and observation, the scientific revolution. In 1699, English scientist John Woodward grew spearmint in jars of water, each with different mineral mixtures. Yet it changed how we understood nature itself. The seed of modern hydroponics was born.
I carefully grew spearmint in water with different nutrients, discovering plants draw their strength not from soil, but from the earth.
The plant that receives purer water grows weakest, while those fed with mineral-rich water flourish.
By the 1930s, the vision returned to life in California. Dr. William F. Garricky grew tomato vines that reached over 25 feet high, without soil, only nutrient-rich water. He called this method hydroponics.
This is the future. HYDRO. Food grown without soil.
During World War II, U.S. troops stationed on remote Pacific islands faced a challenge: no fertile ground. Their solution? Hydroponic farming. Using tanks of nutrient water, they grew fresh vegetables to feed thousands of soldiers far from home. When soil was impossible, water kept them alive. Then came a new frontier: space. NASA scientists began experimenting with plants grown in closed water systems, recycling air, water, and nutrients, creating self-sustaining ecosystems for astronauts. Today, hydroponics has transformed from an experiment into a revolution. Across the world, towering vertical farms rise within cities. LED lights replace sunlight, and AI monitors every drop of nutrient water. Crops grow faster, cleaner, and smarter. From urban rooftops in India to skyscrapers in New York, people are growing their own food, fresh, local, and sustainable. Far above our planet, aboard the International Space Station, astronauts now grow lettuce, spinach, and microgreens in hydroponic chambers. Plants floating gently in zero gravity, their roots glowing under soft pink light. In every floating leaf and glowing root, there's a reminder of home, and a promise that hydroponics will sustain us on the moon, Mars, and beyond.